In this video, we listed the 5 best printers for small business that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Brother MFC L8905CDW. The Brother MFC L8905CDW is a versatile color laser all-in-one printer designed for businesses and workgroups with high printing demands. It combines wired and Wi-Fi connectivity with advanced features such as auto-duplex printing, a 7-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation, and scanning capabilities to various destinations like email and cloud services. This model offers impressive print speeds of up to 33 pages per minute for both color and monochrome outputs, and it utilizes TN-437 ultra-high-yield replacement toner cartridges to keep printing costs low, delivering 9,000 pages for black and 8,000 pages for color. The printer's 70-page capacity auto-document feeder and two-sided scanning at 58 images per minute further enhance productivity, making it an excellent business solution for efficient document management in any work environment. Number 2. Canon Color MF656CDW. The Canon MF656CDW is a versatile wireless 4-in-1 laser printer that efficiently handles printing, copying, scanning, and faxing tasks. Boasting a sleek white design, this network-ready model offers impressive printing capabilities with a maximum output speed of 22 pages per minute for both color and monochrome documents, and a quick first print time of approximately 10.3 seconds. It features advanced functionalities such as auto-duplex printing, a 250-sheet standard cassette, a 50-sheet automatic document feeder with double-sided scanning, and a user-friendly touch-screen display. Users can conveniently print on the go via Wi-Fi connectivity, supporting services like Apple AirPrint and Mopria Print Service. The MF656CDW is energy efficient, certified with ENERGY STAR and EPEAT Silver ratings, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, making it a reliable choice for both home and office environments. Number 3. Brother DCP L2640DW. The Brother DCP L2640DW is a versatile 3-in-1 monochrome laser printer designed for small businesses, offering high productivity with its compact design. This printer excels in delivering high-quality black and white prints at impressive speeds of up to 36 pages per minute, alongside efficient scanning capabilities of up to 23.6 images per minute for black and 7.9 for color. It features a 50-page automatic document feeder, enhancing multi-page scanning and copying convenience. Connectivity options are flexible, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, allowing seamless integration into various work environments. The Brother Mobile Connect app further enhances usability, enabling users to print, scan, and manage their printer remotely. Additionally, the printer supports Brother Genuine Toner, with an option for a subscription service to ensure users never run out of toner while enjoying potential savings. Overall, the DCP L2640DW combines functionality and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to streamline their document handling processes. Number 4. Brother HL L2460DW. The HP OfficeJet 250 is a versatile all-in-one portable printer designed for both home and on-the-go use, featuring wired and wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct. This compact inkjet printer supports various paper sizes and delivers impressive print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in monochrome and 19 pages per minute in color. It boasts a 2.65-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and an automatic document feeder for seamless scanning and copying of multi-page documents. With ENERGY STAR certification and support for high-yield cartridges, the OfficeJet 250 is designed for efficiency and sustainability. Its long-lasting battery allows for convenient charging, whether at home or in your vehicle, while the HP ePrint app enables mobile printing from smartphones and tablets. Weighing just 6.51 pounds, this durable printer is portable enough to fit in a car or backpack, making it an ideal choice for users who require printing capabilities wherever they go. Backed by a 1-year limited hardware warranty and customer support, the OfficeJet 250 is a reliable solution for diverse printing needs. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E is a versatile wide-format inkjet printer that combines high-quality color printing with advanced features, making it ideal for professional office environments. Capable of printing up to 11 by 17 inches, it utilizes P3 technology for enhanced color accuracy and offers impressive print speeds of up to 18 pages per minute in color and 22 pages per minute in monochrome. The printer supports automatic duplex printing and comes equipped with a 250-sheet input tray and an auto document feeder. Additionally, users can benefit from a 3-month ink subscription through the HP Instant Ink delivery service, ensuring they never run out of supplies. With reliable dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity and built-in HP Wolf Pro security for safeguarding data, the OfficeJet Pro 9730E also provides a seamless mobile printing experience through the HP app. Weighing 43 pounds, it is designed to meet the demands of busy workplaces producing high-quality documents like floor plans, mood boards, and spreadsheets.